Hi, I'm Bray. Welcome back to Kashmir and Capital. If you've ever felt the weight of a low credit score, you know how defeating it can feel. It's not just a number, it affects your ability to rent an apartment, get a loan, or even start over. But here's the truth. A bad credit score isn't permanent, it's just data, and data can be rebuilt. Today, I'll show you how to rebuild your credit with calm, clarity, and strategy, not shame. Step 1. Get the real picture. You can't fix what you don't understand. Start by pulling your free credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. Look at each line item for accuracy. Every late payment, account, and balance. If there's something wrong, dispute it directly with the bureau. Many people skip this step, but cleaning up errors alone can raise your score faster than any hack. Step 2. Build positive history, even if it's small. Here's what matters most to lenders: on-time payments. Even one missed payment can undo months of progress. So set everything on auto pay, even if it's just the minimum. If your credit is thin, consider a secured credit card where you deposit your own limit, a credit builder loan from your local credit union, or becoming an authorized user on a family member's well-managed card. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency. Step 3. Lower your utilization. Your credit score loves space. Try to keep your balances below 30% of your total limit, ideally closer to 10%. If your limit is $1,000, keep your balance under $300. You can even request a credit limit increase once your record improves. It lowers your utilization ratio without spending less. Step 4. Stop closing old accounts. This one surprises people. Older accounts help your score. Credit history length is 15% of your score, so even if you don't use an old card, keep it open and active with small occasional purchases. Step 5. Build financial calm. Not just credit rebuilding isn't just technical, it's emotional. Don't chase a perfect number, aim for stability. Because once your system is steady, your payments automated, your spending simplified, your score takes care of itself. A bad credit score isn't failure, it's feedback. You can rebuild it, you can rewrite your story. And when you do it with intention and clarity, you don't just get a higher number, you get peace. If this helped you, subscribe for more minimalist money strategies here on Kashmir and Capital. Because money isn't about chasing, it's about creating calm.